What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a look at Avalanche here, and as we can see, it's doing very, very well indeed. You can see quite clearly what's been happening here. We've got this massive crater in the chart where we've basically formed, you could say somewhat of a range. So looking something like this maybe. I mean, more realistically, your range is probably looking something like this, isn't it? Because this has got its previous level of support flipped into resistance. You come down and you make your range bottom like this and range top. We're obviously stuck under our EMAs. We have to fake out to the downside of the range like this and basically fall through the bottom of it. We come back up and we try and reclaim it along with the 20, but we get rejected again. We roll over and we double bottom looking something like this. Obviously we come down pretty much double bottom perfectly. We find our support in and around, what is this, the $9.3 area. We come back up and we reclaim the 20, and then obviously once we reclaim the 20 in the range, we're looking fairly positive for that reversal, aren't we? We come up, we get stuck under our 55, but then we finally break it and retest it as support. And you can basically see that the rest is history, isn't it? You come all the way up to the top of your range here, you grind your way to the upside, and then that's when things really just got absolutely crazy, didn't they? With a lot of smart contract platforms like Solana, for example, a perfect example of things that have been pumping. You can see Avalanche is no exception. Its ecosystem has been flourishing really well, and it's just absolutely exploded, hasn't it? It came from, what is this, around $21-ish. It ripped all the way up in the space of a week, past the all-time high, all the way up to around that $60 level before it had a decent retracement here, a nice bit of consolidation. And then obviously with that, basically that big fall in the market recently with Bitcoin heading down, we come all the way down, looking for support, and it seems as though we did actually find it, basically looking something like this on this previous swing high, coming in at around, what is this, $32? So looking really, really bullish basically. Got the top around $56. We come back down, we find support really bullishly in and around that 55 at the bottom of this little range, and then we reclaim the 20, and then we're currently at all-time highs again at around 61, with a high of around $65-ish. So basically looking really, really bullish. And we can take a look at the short-term price predictions now, keep things nice and short and sweet. If we do roll over, we would expect that 55, the 20 moving average, to be holding here. Probably coming in at around that $50-ish, maybe upwards of $55. We've obviously got this level here as well, at around $56. We've got the 55 as well, if we roll over even more than that, at around $40. But considering how bullish things do seem, it probably seems quite likely that we would probably not reach these kinds of lows, and it looks as though things are about to explode again. And you can see, obviously, if we throw our fib retracement tool of our previous move, looking something like this, onto our price action, you can see some price targets to the upside. We've got the 227 would be our next price target then, at around $68 to $70, where you would probably see a bit of a rejection there. That would be our short-term price targets. And then long-term, we've got our 141 coming in at around $86. We've got the 161 coming in at around $117. And we've got the 227 here coming in at around a massive $335. And, considering how much things have been pumping, these price targets, they're not that unlikely. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.